Evening. Cloud Foundation, subject code is 22 CS907. Myself, Sharmila, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce and Engineering, R.M.D.E. Engineering College. In today's session, we're going to discuss about the cloud foundations. In the cloud foundation, the main agenda of this video is cloud computing, evolution towards cloud, issues in maintaining enterprise and data center. Evolution towards cloud. In 1960, when it was in the initial starting of the computer, how the system was. It was in the room full of system. It's very big and used to compute that arithmetic operation. In 1970, we got a desktop. In 1980s, network was evolved. In 1990s, web was there. In 2000, virtualization was happened. In 2010, the cloud was born. In that time, we are discussing about cloud. In that period, what is going to say that period of cloud computation is nothing but when the cloud evolves, we have like CD, floppy disk, and pen drives. These are the previous generations devices. In the cloud enterprise data center, there are different types of interfaces: Microsoft, FTP, Apache, Semantic, Windows Server. These are the different Windows system. Issues in maintenance and enterprise data centers, hardware and equipment outage, hard disk corruption, constant need to update patches and virus vacuums. Hardware wears out and becomes obsolete. Temptation to upgrade a new version of software. Tools required to monitor these are expensive, very expensive. Regular monitoring of traffic, emails, spams, attacks are happening. Data need to be cleaned up regularly to make more space. Need to keep an addition more hard disk racks to add more space. Cost of maintenance of hardware and software is too high. People and building cost add-ups. Training costs for people to maintain your new tools and hardware is high. Now, in your mind, your business takes care of your data center. All you need is web browser to monitor and maintain the server remotely. Use a tablet, desktop, laptop, or any other device. Remote install and uninstall software and configure it remotely. Pay for the hardware software you use. If the vendor is not good, go to another vendor. These are the business ideas in the data center. How we did it evolve. High-level internet view. So here the internet node, TCP/IP protocol, a client accessing an internet resource, example, browsers such as Internet Explorer, a server maintaining an internet resource that is www web server. So using this, we are creating a cloud. So client server computing, single server, single client. So the client will give response, you will get the server will give the response. The client will give the query, the server will give the response. How it is happening from the data center, it will search for the query. Client is transparent to the server operation. Client is transparent to the data location. Server responds to one client only. Client requests only one type of operation at a time. So client server computing, single server, multiple client. Many clients talks to a single server. Client application may be different like a bank. Servers overloaded, keep extending server hardware till you run your money. So client server computing, multiple server, multiple client. Computing in distributed server to client communication, server to server communication reduces loads. Peer-to-peer networking, no server computing. That is the idea for two nodes to communicate with each other without firewall server. Earlier, DAE, every node processes request and send information. Virtual network can be established easily between multiple nodes. No centralized control. Improve performance as millions of users added. Probably was best suited for the internet. Enterprise made it less viable. Yeah, different nodes, it will be communicate with each other. Grid networking, IBM. Computing resources are shared with every node, disk, memory, CPU. Objective is to complete a single job fast and efficient resource pooling. All the nodes are typically run the same OS. Loss of node brings down a performance, but job are still run. Central node controls allocation of job across the node. Run a special grid computing software. Advanced grid computing deals with a cluster of nodes doing a special job. So here, system model for the cloud computing. The client server request, the client is access, the P2P request, grid network may be. These are the different method of networks we have seen in today's video section. So how the cloud works, how the evaluation of cloud, what is the history. Okay, thank you.